Hey everyone, this is Queenie, Clem with Queenie's Book Talk and Reviews, and I am your literary ambassador. And today I got something for you guys. I am going to be reading a story. So this is story time again. Ellie, Ellie and the Rainy Day by Davis Pierce. Kimberly Davis Peters. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. Let's get to reading. I am super stoked about this. Ellie woke up with excitement. She had so many fun things to do outside and couldn't wait to get started. Ellie expected to see the sun bright and shining when she climbed out of bed, but instead there were cloudy gray skies, pitter-patter sounds of raindrops. Her day was ruined. Oh no, she wailed. I love the illustrator. Her name is Jasmine Mills. She did an excellent job. Excellent, excellent. What's wrong, sweetie? Mom asked. It's raining. Now I can't do anything fun. Ellie pouted. Just because it's raining doesn't mean we can't have fun. Let me show you, said Mommy. They put on their raincoats and boots to head outside in the rain. Oh. Look around at the raindrops falling around them. Ellie wondered what fun they could have. Suddenly, Mommy began to jump up and down in the puddles. Water splashed all upon them with each jump. Ellie began jumping in the puddle of her own, laughing as the water splashed against her raincoat. They hopped from puddle to puddle, laughing and splashing all the way. I love Ellie's raincoat. It's polka dotty. Y'all see that? Very pretty. With matching green boots. Whoop, whoop. This is fun, Ellie exclaimed. They giggled most when Daddy came home and splashed them as he drove the car into the driveway. Ellie wondered what other fun things they could do. So now, if you're walking down the street and you get this happen to you, where the water splashed on you, that's not a fun sight. But to Ellie, that was fun. Next, Ellie and Mommy twirled their umbrellas and sang to the rain. Hello, rain. How are you? The sky is gray. Raindrops are blue. Soon the clouds will go away and the sun will come out again. I don't know where I got that little tune from, but oh well. And look at their umbrellas. Their umbrellas is the bomb. I love the umbrellas. Heading back inside, Ellie thought that the rainy day fun had come to an end. Now I'll make a perfect rainy day lunch for you, Mommy said. Before long, soup and sandwiches were ready for them to eat. What a yummy rainy day lunch, Ellie said while she happily take a big bite. Wonder what kind of sandwich it was. It looks yummy. It looks like it could be a grilled cheese sandwich, maybe. And I love Ellie's hair. It's so pretty, and her big, pretty eyes. I love it. I love it. Later in the afternoon, Ellie painted a picture of herself and Mommy splashing together in the rain puddles. She named it her rainy day art. The sun began to peek through the clouds as the rain slowly came to an end. That's her painting a picture of her and her mommy in the puddles. She's just having a wonderful day on this rainy day. When the rain stopped, Mommy took Ellie by the hand and they went outside. There is one more fun thing I want to show you, Mommy said, pointing to the sky and telling Ellie to look up high. Look up. And Ellie looked up and saw so many beautiful colors. She asked Mommy what it was. What is that, Mommy? That is the rainbow, said Mommy. Oh, wow, Ellie said with a wide smile. At nighttime, they put on their pajamas and got ready for bed. Mommy tucked Ellie snugly into her bed. With a sleepy yawn, Ellie began to close her eyes. So how did you enjoy your rainy day, Mommy asked. Ellie gave a tired smile and mumbled, I guess rainy days can be fun after all. She began to snore softly, and soon Ellie was fast asleep. The end. The end. Um, this was a great story. A rainy day can't ruin Ellie's play. And again, that was Ellie and the rainy day. I am in love with this illustration. And you could tell, look at the rain, like the rain coming down. Y'all see that? And right here it has the sticker on it says, Reader's favorite 5 stars. And you know what? I'm giving her my review. And Kim, you get 5 stars for this book. All right? All right. Well, that's it for story time with Queenie. I hope you really enjoyed that story. And if you really, really like that story, go over to Amazon and look up Arthur Kimberly Davis Peters and get your copy. And you can read the story too. You can read it to yourself, to your children. Your children can read it, your grandchildren, your nieces, or your nephews. Get the book. I recommend you get this 5-star book. I loved it, and I know you'll love it too. And if you like it so much and you buy it, comment down in the comment section to let me know how you enjoyed this book. Did you purchase the book? And did you get a review for the book? Because I know Miss Kimberly will be so happy that you bought her book, and second, you gave her a review. So again, that's Ellie and the Rainy Day by Kimberly Davis Peters. And that is it for today, y'all. I want y'all to have a happy day. Happy reading. And Queenie will talk to you later. Bye, y'all.